I think the fact that the company employs former law enforcement officials from all levels of the law enforcement community at the company brings an untold value to their customers, the law enforcement agencies. One, it provides an instant level of credibility with the law enforcement community, that the company has valued that community and their opinions so much that they hire folks from that very community. I think the employees that come with a law enforcement background to the company who does so much to serve the law enforcement community is able to provide at times perhaps a different perspective, a different way of looking at a crime or a trend that criminals are employing in the furtherance of their illicit activities. And they can bring that knowledge to the company for consideration.
So one of the things that my job entails is for me to be working with the customer to make sure that we understand their challenges and their needs. We then bring those challenges and needs back to our SMEs. Maybe it's an engineering team, maybe it's a product team, maybe it's a data scientist. And we bring that back to them. We then sit down and we huddle together, we collaborate internally to come up with the best solution that would meet our customers' needs. And sometimes we go back to the customer and present that to them, and it's something that they never thought of. We've come up with something that's unique and valuable to their mission. And that's one of the things that's so exciting about this job, is we get to do that day in and day out.
So my background is primarily in law enforcement, fraud detection, inspector general type.
I started as a high school teacher. I was going to be a marine biologist and a small business owner. And then I decided I got exposed to federal law enforcement, and I joined the Secret Service back in the 90s. And I was a special agent with the Secret Service for 23 years. I spent 3 assignments on the Presidential Protective Division with 3 presidents.
I've been in the law enforcement world for 20 plus years. Before coming to LexisNexis, I was a certified law enforcement analyst.
In the most simple sense, it is helping people. So when I worked in law enforcement, I got into law enforcement to, we all get in to make a difference. But what was important is there is someone on the other end that needs help.
So one of the things that we've done, because we want to be very close to our customers, is we've hired former customers. And in particular, we do that in the law enforcement space. And we do that for a number of reasons, including next generation solutions. Nobody understands better what's needed in the market than somebody that used to work at, say, the Secret Service, the FBI. They work for a federal, state, or local law enforcement agency, and we bring them on to help us develop solutions. The other part is when you're dealing with law enforcement, unless you've done an investigation, unless you've arrested an individual, unless you've taken down an organized criminal group or protected the president, you don't have the same depth and insights that other people would have. So bringing those individuals on board is a huge benefit to our customers. It's a huge benefit to Lexis in terms of development, and really has put us at the forefront of the law enforcement space.